Metal finishing involves various processes to improve the appearance, durability, and performance of metal surfaces. Different types of files and related tools are used in these processes, each serving specific purposes. Here are some common types of files and tools used in metal finishing. Flat files, used for general shaping and smoothing of metal surfaces. They come in different grades, coarse, medium, and fine, and are effective for removing large amounts of material. Half-round files. These files have a flat side and a rounded side, making them versatile for both flat surfaces and curved or concave areas. Round files. Also known as rat tail files, these are used for enlarging holes or working on cylindrical or rounded surfaces. Triangular files. These are used for internal angles, corners, and narrow grooves. They are also useful for detailed work in tight spaces. Needle files. These are smaller, precision files used for detailed work and fine finishing. They come in various shapes, including flat, round, square, and triangular. Rasps. Coarser than files, rasps are used for rough shaping and removing material quickly. They have a rough texture that helps in working with hard materials. Deburring tools. These tools are specifically designed to remove sharp edges and burrs left after cutting, drilling, or machining metal. Sandpaper. While not a file, sandpaper is essential in metal finishing for smoothing surfaces and achieving a desired finish. It comes in various grits and can be used in conjunction with files. Grinders. For more aggressive material removal and surface preparation, bench grinders and angle grinders are used. They often have different attachments, including grinding wheels and flap discs. Polishing tools. These include buffing wheels and polishing compounds, which are used to achieve a high-gloss finish on metal surfaces. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in different stages of metal finishing, from initial shaping to final polishing. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content.